Ever wondered what tantalizing dishes lie hidden in the mountainous terrain of Afghanistan? Well, prepare to be amazed as we unveil the top 10 most intriguing dishes from this culturally rich land. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have shorwa, a hearty stew of meat and vegetables. Slow cooked over a low flame, this dish is a testament to the Afghan tradition of patience and care in food preparation. At number 9, we find mantu, an Afghan dumpling. Stuffed with minced meat, onions, and a variety of spices, these little parcels of joy will take your taste buds on a roller coaster ride of flavors. Swooping in at number 8 is balani. This flatbread filled with potato, lentils, pumpkin, or spinach is a common street food, showing that even the simplest ingredients can create a culinary masterpiece when prepared with love. In the 7th spot, we have Kabuli pulao, a dish that is as regal as it sounds. This aromatic rice dish adorned with carrots, raisins, and succulent chunks of lamb is a true feast for the senses. At number 6, we find ashak, a delightful dumpling dish that is traditionally served on Fridays. These delicate morsels filled with chives and served with a meaty sauce are a perfect way to start the weekend. Now we're at the halfway mark with korma-e-sabzi, a slow-cooked stew of spinach, dill, coriander, and meat. At number 5, this dish is a testament to the Afghan love for fresh, vibrant ingredients. Coming in at number 4, we have sheer yak. This Afghan ice cream, laced with rose water and pistachios, is a sweet treat that is as refreshing as it is delicious. The bronze medal goes to shola, a sticky rice dish that can be sweet or savory. This versatile dish, at number 3, showcases the creativity and adaptability of Afghan cuisine. Taking the 2nd spot, we have kebabs. From lamb to chicken, these skewers of marinated meat are a testament to the Afghan mastery of grilling. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to naan, the king of Afghan cuisine. This bread baked in a traditional tandoor oven is a staple of every meal and is a symbol of the hospitality and warmth of the Afghan people. So there you have it, the top 10 most intriguing dishes from Afghanistan. From hearty stews to sweet treats, this culinary journey through Afghanistan has shown us that Afghan cuisine is a rich tapestry of flavors and traditions. Each dish tells a story of the people, the land, and the culture, making every bite a delicious adventure. So, the next time you're feeling adventurous, why not try a taste of Afghanistan?